Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about conditional sentences. As you know, the sentences which are based on conditions are known as conditional sentences. These sentences are not a normal. So in this way we can say that the sentences which are based on a conditions, these are conditional sentences. And conditions or suppositions are often expressed by conditional clauses. So here, if we read the language of a book, then the conditions or suppositions are often expressed by conditional clauses. Sentences having conditional clauses are called conditional sentences. Okay. So here one thing is that I have already told you that the sentences which are based on conditions, these sentences are known as conditional sentences. But here one thing is more, that in conditional sentences we find clauses. Okay. So usually a conditional sentence has an if clause and main clause. The following forms are used to introduce conditional clauses: if, even if, unless, until, till, in case, in the event, providing that, and condition that, as long as, so long as, supposing that, whether, or etc. Okay. So this was the introduction about conditional sentence. About types of conditional clauses, means we can say conditional sentence. Open conditional clauses. In these clauses, the conditions may or may not be fulfilled. In this clause, there are no indication whether the condition is likely to be filled or not. Okay, means here we can say that open conditional clauses. तो बेटा इसमें हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इस कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में जो ओपन कंडीशनल क्लॉज होता है वो आपके वर्क कंडीशंस कंप्लीट होगा या नहीं होगा, इट इज़ नॉट श्योर. इफ़ यू रिक्वेस्ट मी आई विल हेल्प यू. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ इट इज़ अ फाइन डे टुमारो वी शैल गो फॉर अ पिकनिक. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे शर्त क्या है, अगर कल अच्छा दिन रहा, फेवरेबल रहा, तो हम लोग पिकनिक चलेंगे. अब देखो ये कोई कंफर्म नहीं है कि कल अच्छा दिन रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, इसलिए जो ये आपका ओपन कंडीशनल क्लॉजेस होते हैं, इसकी शर्तें जो होती हैं वो पूरी हो भी सकती हैं, नहीं भी हो सकती हैं. इसलिए कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेज में ओपन कंडीशनल क्लॉजेज की ये कंडीशंस होती है. कंडीशनल क्लॉज हमेशा या तो इफ से शुरू होगा, अनलेस से शुरू होगा, और ये प्रेजेंट में होगा. जो भी कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है वुड से शुरू हो, शुड से शुरू हो, कुड से शुरू हो, इफ से शुरू हो, वो हमेशा प्रेजेंट में होगा. मेन क्लॉज की अगर बात करें, कैन, शैल, मे, माइट, मस्ट प्लस बी फर्स्ट आएगा. ओके. तो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स, यू कैन नोट डाउन 2 or 3. इफ़ यू आर हार्ड वर्किंग यू कैन बी सक्सेसफुल. ओके. But here we can say that many people are hard worker, but sometimes they fail. So this is not clear in open conditional sentences. Okay. Next thing is that hypothetical conditional clauses. First we have learned open conditional clauses, but second is hypothetical conditional clauses. These conditional clauses contain a condition that is improbable or unreal or unlikely. These conditions are not likely to be fulfilled. Such clauses are called unreal or hypothetical or unlikely conditional clauses. So here conditional clauses, main clauses, conditional clauses, if, unless, even if only, simple past tense, would, should, could, might. Okay. So example is If I own a big lottery, I would buy a big house. So hypothetical conditional clauses में हम यही जानते हैं कि इसमें होता क्या है, अनरियल होता है, ठीक है। दीज कंडीशनल क्लॉजेज कंटेन अ कंडीशंस, इसमें जो शर्तें रखी जाती हैं हाइपोथेटिकल कंडीशनल क्लॉजेज में, वो क्या होता है, अनरियल होता है, अनलाइक होता है। दीज कंडीशंस आर नॉट लाइकली टू बी फुलफिल्ड, और ये जो कंडीशंस होते हैं ये पूरी होने की उम्मीद नहीं होती है। बट इन ओपन क्लॉजेज में पूरा हो भी सकता था, नहीं भी हो सकता, बट इसमें कन्फर्म है पूरा नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है। सो हियर एग्जांपल अगर हम देखें, इफ एवरीबॉडी वर्क सिंसियरली India would be a great country. This is confirmed. Okay, if everybody worked sincerely, but it is sure, if everybody worked sincerely, India would be great country. If I were you, I would not excuse him. Okay. Next thing is that next page from your book, that is unfulfilled conditions in the past. Third, unfulfilled conditions in the past. These clauses contain a condition that was not fulfilled in the past. So this is clear what kinds of conditional clauses we are going to learn. Conditional clauses, main clauses. If past perfect tense, main clause, would, should, could, might, have, with her. If you had started earlier, you would have reached in time. If we had won the match, we would have qualified for the final. If you had acted wisely, you would have saved your. Had she passed the test, she would have got the job. Had you consulted a specialist, you would not have suffered so much. Okay. So this is your example and this is your homework. Okay, we have solved this question, but your today's homework is that you should try to learn. I think there is a problem in my cell phone. I'm unable to correct perfectly. There are many problems with my cell phone, so I request you should set your cell phone direction and you should complete this sentence chapter, conditional sentences. Okay.